Before anything else, si teacher ay merong apat na rules. Number one, pick up the trash under your chair.
Wala akong kalat.
Okay. Number two, very good, Charmaine. Number two, raise your hand if you want to answer. Number three, listen carefully. Number four, participate in our class activity. Okay, ngayon, sino nakakaalala ng last topic natin? Yes, Charmaine? Now, very good. Ngayon, ang last topic natin ay all about verb. Ang verb ay nag-use siya sa mga action.
Mga kilos po.
Yeah, very good, Leia. Very good. Ang example ng verb ay dancing, singing, jumping. Naiintindihan ba? Ngayon, meron akong, sino gusto maglaro?
Ako po.
Sino gusto maglaro? Alam niyo ba ang Pinoy Henyo? Pinoy Henyo? Ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng Pinoy Henyo. Ang unang maglalaro ay grade 3 versus grade 4. Huhulaan. Magse-search kayo ng words na ibibigay ko sa inyo.
Check na dito.
Ngayon, let's start. Kailangan mong hulaan yung words na nandito. Ayan. In just 1 minute. Go. Time na.
Active.
Now, yes. Things. Place. Very good, Charmaine. Ngayon, siya naman ang maghuhulan ng words. Yes, Leia.
About po sa place, people, things.
Very good. Ang galing naman ni Leia. Ngayon, yung topic natin ay all about sa noun.
Wow! Proper and common.
Proper, what is all about what is proper and common noun? Wait lang. Today, we're going to learn all about common noun and proper noun. So, what is the differences between the two, proper and common noun? First, what is common noun? Now, these nouns refers to general name of people, place, things, and idea. Meaning, general name is wala siyang pangalan ng tao, lugar, bagay, at saka idea. Ngayon, marami ang common nouns. Example is table, chair, and pencil. And everything is common noun. Even you, students, is common noun. Example, ito, chair is common noun. TV is common noun. Why? Kasi wala siyang pangalan. Marami pa example si teacher kung ano yung mga common noun. Example, dog is common noun. Why? Kasi wala siyang pangalan. Another one is cat. Siya ay common noun dahil wala siyang pangalan. Next is rabbit. Rabbit is example of common noun. Next is teacher. Common noun siya kasi wala siyang pangalan. Ikaw, Charming, may naiisip ka ba kung ano yung example ng common noun? Partner? Pwede. Partner. Tama. Kasi wala siyang pangalan. Ikaw, ano ka na? Rachel Ann, may naiisip ka ba kung ano yung mga example ng common noun? Yung mga bagay na walang pangalan. Chair. Very good, Charmaine. Ikaw, Leia.
Table po.
Table. Very good. Marami pa akong example about sa common noun. Policeman. Why siya naging common noun? Dahil wala siyang pangalan. Next is city. Common noun siya kasi wala siyang pangalan. Books. Common noun dahil wala siyang
Pangalan.
very good. Naiintindihan ba?
Opo.
Very good. Yan. Table. Sabi kanina ni Leia, example ay table. Date.
This is the place.
Yes, please. Very good, Charmaine. Pencil. Common noun. Very good. specific name of people, places, or things. Kanina, meron tayong dog. Wala siyang pangalan. Ngayon, meron na siyang pangalan. The dog named Lara. Ngayon, siya ay proper noun na kasi meron na siyang pangalan. Next is Lucena City. Lucena City. Ngayon, meron na siyang pangalan ng lugar. Next is Teacher Kid. Siya ay proper noun dahil meron siyang pangalan. Harry Potter. Sino na nakapagbasa ng books ng Harry Potter? Ikaw? Wow, meron siya. Meron kang ano? Wow. Ngayon, siya ay proper noun. Kasi, meron siyang title. Next is Sergeant Paul. Police. Meron siyang pangalan. Siya ay proper noun. Rose. Diba? Meron siyang pangalan. Siya ay proper noun. Next is ito. Deaf school. Siya ay isa sa mga proper noun. Okay. Ulitin natin again. Kanina, ang common noun ay, ano nga ulit? Ang common noun? Ang common noun ay walang pangalan or walang pantawag na tao, place, or mga bagay. Ngayon, ang proper noun ay merong mga pangalan na pwede ipantawag sa tao, lugar, at mga bagay. Ano nga ulit ang mga example ng proper noun? Deaf school ang example ng proper noun dahil meron siyang pangalan. Okay, lahat ba ay naiintindihan? Very good. Ngayon, now, I will show you pictures and you need to identify if it's common noun or proper noun. Sabihin niyo sa akin kung common noun and proper noun. Pencil. Common noun. Common noun dahil walang very good, Leia. Next is teacher. Common or common noun. Very good, Charmaine. Mrs. Steele. Proper noun or common proper noun. Kasi meron siya very good. Next is McDonald's. Common or proper? Proper noun. Dahil siya ay pangalan ng lugar. Now, find the proper noun. Next. What is the proper noun? Max or cat? Max dahil ay may pangalan. Cat is common noun. Very good. Common noun. Space. Ang earth.
Hi, proper.
Proper noun. Very good. Next is boy.
Common.
Common noun. Very good. Jane is
Proper noun.
proper noun.
Noun.
Ang gagaling niyo naman. Ngayon, meron akong ipapa-activity sa inyo. Dahil lahat kayo ay naiintindihan niyo na ang aking topic ngayon. Sino nakakaalam na
Yes.
let's search an object? Ngayon, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, you need to search an object inside this classroom.
Opo.
Ngayon, kumuha kayo ng papel at in just 5 minutes, kailangan meron kayo ibibigay sa akin na differences of things na nagsasabi ng ito ay common noun and proper noun.
Opo. Kainin mo papel. Proper. Leia. Common noun is chair or table. Teacher, tapos na po.
Wow! Tapos na agad si Leia. Patingin. Ngayon, si Leia ay meron siyang tatlong proper isang proper noun at ito ay pangalan niya. Leia. Siya ay proper noun kasi
Siya ay may
siya ay
pangalan.
mayroong pangalan. And ang common noun niya ay chair and table. Siya ay common noun dahil wala siyang
Pangalan.
Thank you, Leia. Next is si Charmaine. Ang dami niyang common noun. Very good. Ang common noun ni Charmaine ay pencil. Number 1 is pencil. Number 2 is cup. Cup. Number 3 is table. Number 4 is spoon. Spoon. Common noun siya dahil wala siyang pangalan.
Pangalan.
Egg. Egg. Common noun. Very good, Charmaine. Ang proper noun niya ay Sherry. Sherry. Name siya ng person. Kaya siya ay proper noun. Next is Rachel. Name siya ng person. Kaya siya ay proper noun. Jade. Jade. Siya ay proper noun. Sophia. Siya ay proper noun dahil pangalan siya ng
Tao.
tao. Leia. Proper noun. Kit. Proper noun. Kasi pangalan siya ng tao. Very good, Charmaine. Next is si Rachel. Rachel Ann. Ang dami niyang common noun. Number 1 is cat. Number 2 is dog. Number 3 is bee. Bee.
Yung
Bee. Number 4 is table. paper, and police. Police. Ang lahat ng words na sinulat nyo ay proper noun at saka common noun. Ngayon, if you really understand our subject today, meron tayo quiz. Naiintindihan niyo na ba?
Opo!
For grade 3, you need to underline the noun, and each sentence has exactly one noun. Grade 3? Grade 3. Grade 3. Okay. For grade 4, encircle the proper noun. Ngayon, for grade 5, you need to identify if it's proper noun or common noun.
Teacher, tapos na po.
Wow, bilis-bilis naman. Wala pa sinisip.
Teacher, meron na kita.
Thank you. Tapos na ba? Okay. Tapos na ba lahat?
Opo.
Let's check your activity. Okay. Now, for grade 3, number 1 is the cat meow. Right. What is the noun in a sentence?
Cat.
Cat, kasi wala siyang pangalan. Number 2 is the bird. Song. What is the noun in a sentence?
Bird.
Bird. Very good. Number 3 is her dog. Dog. Jump. What is the noun in a sentence?
Dog.
Dog. Very good. Number 4 is the girl cried.
Girl.
The girl. The common noun is the girl. Number 5 is she skipped the rock. She. Very good. Patingin niya kung tama ang ginawa niya. Wow. Very good, Leia. Next is grade 4. Sa grade 4, encircle the proper noun. Each sentence has proper noun. Number 1. Michael Jordan is considered one of the greatest basketball players all the time. What is the proper noun?
Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan. Very good. Number 2 is the Statue of Liberty stands tall in New York. New York. The proper noun is New York. Number 3. Taylor Swift concert was unforgettable experience. What is common noun? Taylor Swift. Number 4. The dream of climbing Mount of Everest. What is proper noun?
Mount Everest.
Number 4 is Mount of Everest. Number 5. Google. Google is a multifunctioning technology company. What is the proper noun? Google. Very good, Charmaine. Patingin niya. Wow! Naka-4 siya. Next is grade 5. Grade 5 is, number 1 is, you need to identify the word if proper or common noun. Number 1. Let's have lunch at McDonald's. Proper or common? Siya ay proper noun dahil sa McDonald's. Number 2. My favorite movie is Grease. Siya ay proper noun dahil sa Grease. Number 8. Liza works as programmer at Microsoft. Siya ay proper noun dahil sa name Liza. Number 9 is I live in a small town in England. England. Next is, siya ay proper noun dahil sa England. Number 10 is, my cousin lives in Canada. Siya ay proper noun. Wow, very good kayo. Ngayon, let's give you 5 hand claps dahil lahat kayo ay magagaling. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. Ngayon, you need to choose one leader. Kasi, meron tayong activity. For grade 3 and 4, connect the dot. image? With, it's noun. Grade 3 and 4. Connect the dots. For grade 5, tira mo si Charming. For grade 5, we need to place the, we need to put the correct words in column to identify if it's proper noun or common noun.
Teacher, tapos na po.
Grade 4. Grade 4. Harry Potter, proper noun. Very good.
Mamela.
Lumamela. Teacher Ian. Taytanan ka. Want mo mag-help? Kasi marami siyang words. Wow! Very good! Kayong lahat ay very good. Ngayon, sino gustong magsulat ng or ng kwento? Sino gustong magsulat ng story? Okay, sige, ganito na lang. Ngayon, last activity na natin. Ngayon, for grade 3, kailangan nyo magsulat ng yung introduce yourself. Introduce yourself in a sentence. Intindihan? For grade 4, tell us about your happy moment last Christmas. In a sentence. For grade 5, make a short reflection. For grade 5, make a short reflection about our topic today. Naintindihan niyo ba?
Opo.
For short paper. At na ba? Okay na? Tapos na ba?
Opo.
Okay. Pass your paper in front.
Pass your paper.
Pass your paper. Golden cup. Ngayon, meron tayong assignment.
Opo.
For grade 3 and grade 4, you need to get 10 examples of common noun and proper to read the short story and write the common noun and proper noun. Okay? Goodbye.